welcome back to my kitchen. I thought I would show y'all just a quick little recipe, a little side for Easter. I know Easter's coming up and you start racking your brains, making your little menu. Oh, what am I going to make for Easter dinner? And I thought of this. This is something that I like to do. It's so simple, and this is just some easy honey glazed carrots. Now I've got my little water boiling here. Let me just turn it down till I get ready for it. I'm going to add a little salt because we're going to just boil these in some salt water. Y'all, this recipe is so simple, and this recipe, I'm telling you, you can it's so versatile. You can dress it up beside a ham or through the week beside a little meatloaf, honey. It don't matter. Everybody's going to like it. Normally children like it because of the sweetness, and I sure enjoy it. So we're just starting with just some carrots, good old bag carrots. Normally they are cheaper than the prepared carrots, but honestly, I have done the prepared carrots as well as the fresh carrots, and to me, the fresh carrots hands down always taste better. So just got a little potato peeler, carrot peeler, whatever. I'm just going to skin them to death here. Just going to take that skin off and get them ready to boil. I just take one end and I get one end done, then I flip it around and I just peel the skin off the other end. And I do have a little bag here, y'all. This is my little shortcut so I don't make a mess. I just lay my little baggie out, my little Ingles bag or whatever I got. But y'all are gonna love this recipe. This is gonna be great for Easter. If you've never done it, you're gonna really like it. I promise. I promise you, your family's gonna love this. All right, we're gonna skin this off. Lord. And like I said, this goes with just everything. I can just eat this by itself. I'm telling you, I don't even need a little entree to go with it. This is good for me. It's sweet like them sweet potatoes. I love sweet potato. I'm telling you, I am a fan. And this is how it is with carrots. Now, I don't really love raw carrots. Don't care for them, just if I'm being honest. I'm gonna skip them on a salad bar, I'll tell you that. But I love these. All right, now I've got them all skinned, and I'm just gonna snip the little ends off of it. Keep my little bag here. Keep me from having a mess. And I'm going to just cut these up, and you can nice and cut these any way you want them. You can do round carrots if you want. I like making the sticks out of them. I'll show you what I do, but you can do these any kind of way you want. This is just going to be a quick little recipe, y'all. I'm telling you, quick little video, because this does not take much effort or time at all. You're literally boiling them in water for about 5 minutes till they start to get tender. Then we're going to take them and put them in that pan, and honey, take them to another level with that brown sugar and butter and just a little drizzle of honey if you like it. If not, you can leave it off. But we're going to get these cut up and get these in these pan, boiling away, getting happy. All right, y'all, I thought I'd show you how I cut them. Like I said, you can cut them any way you want. I like to leave them whole like this, and then just go right down the middle with them. Maybe give it another chop there. And you can leave these whole, but I'm going to just give them another cut in half. And you want to really kind of make carrots the same size so they'll cook evenly, but that's in the real world. See, now like these are little on the end, I'm just going to keep those like this, and I'll just give this a chop. 4 ways. But they don't take long to cook at all. You just use your own judgment on that. How small you want them, how big you want them. They're your carrots. Do as you will. I'm just going to cut this in half once. Now this big feller here will quarter it, or try to. It's a good thing it don't have to be perfect. It's your kitchen. All right, and I'm not doing that many because we just don't need that many. It's just 2 of us. All right, y'all, this is what it looks like. This is the size I want. You can do whatever size you want. We're just gonna put it back. Let me turn this water back up. I've just got some salt in this water, and that is all. And I'm just gonna let them simmer for about 5 minutes until they are tender. I'll put the lid on it and get my stuff ready because this ain't gonna take long at all. Alrighty, y'all, they have been boiling now for about 7 minutes, and this is where you want them. Just real soft. This is what you need them to look like. Just like that. Alright, I am just going to drain them real quick, come right back, and we're going to make that glaze that is so delicious. All right, y'all, I am putting about 4 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna get this melted in here. Start our little glaze. Now you can take the carrots out if you want to and just leave them out. It's completely up to you. Look at there. Just gonna get it. Now, the good part. I put 4 tablespoons of butter, and you want to put about the same amount of your brown sugar. Now this is just good old great value, nothing special. Light brown sugar, you can use light brown sugar or dark brown sugar, whatever you have on hand. Y'all know how I roll. Whatever I got on hand, that's what we're doing. And you can choose to put a little lemon in yours if you want to. I do have a little lemon here. We'll see where it's at. If you want to get that little splash of citrus in there, it's really good. I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. Look at that, y'all. It's already making me a little glaze. Now, like I said, you can stop there if you want to. But I'm just going to put just a little drizzle of honey. Just kick it up just a little bit more. It's going to make that glaze a little thicker. Yummy. Looks good, don't it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
it looks good. It does. Looks so good.
It looks delicious.
It does. I'm trying to decide, do I want some lemon in it or not? That's what I'm trying to decide.
Well, I've got the camera in my hand, or I'll say we flip a coin.
Oh, we've been on flip a coin. You better not flip it.
Flip it, well, I can do it, but ain't nobody gonna catch it.
No. Poor baby.
She's not trained for that.
She's not. She's got tricks, but she don't know.
No, she can't.
She don't roll like that, y'all. She ain't flipping a coin for us.
Well, you
know what? I do have the lemon. I do have the lemon. I think I'm just going to put just a little bit. Let me give it just a little. Because I can make myself a little lemonade with this. I'm on a lemonade kick, y'all. Just going to do just a little squirt. I hope that don't make it sour. I think it's going to make it really good. If you don't have lemon, you can use a little lemon juice, or you cannot use this at all. I'm telling you, just the butter and the brown sugar, absolutely delicious. It's fabulous. That little drizzle of honey gives it just a little different taste. But this is all it is, y'all. Look at this. Now, I'm going to put some black pepper on mine. You can or you cannot. You can do white pepper on it. But and it's already, we already salted it in that salted water, so we don't need that any more salt to that. Y'all look at this, how quick this is. This is a 10-minute side dish that you will not regret, I'm telling you. Good beside anything. This is great beside that ham. It's even good at Thanksgiving beside the turkey. It goes hand in hand with just about anything. All right, it's all done. Now it's your turn, Russell, to give it a little taste. All right, y'all, just that quick. These little carrots, they are ready to go. They are good. And Russ is going to come confirm that. So come on, come on over. Get you a little carrot in your life.
YouTube.
Yep. Now, we have already said plenty of times you're not the biggest of some vegetables.
I like carrots.
But you do like carrots.
Yeah,
So carrots is a winner, hopefully.
Yeah, these are, I ain't really like carrots though, because they're so sweet. It's almost like dessert.
They really are, y'all. And but your kiddos will love them.
Absolutely. You want your kids to eat get some vegetables in them?
Yes.
You cook them some carrots like this, and they'll be gobbling every bit of it up.
And you could leave the brown sugar out and just do some honey. If you like honey, you can do these all kind of ways. They are very tender. It doesn't take long, y'all. This is a quick and easy dish. It really is. It's good.
Yeah.
And if you're like me and you're cooking all of the dinner, you want quick and easy. You want those dishes that you can just whip up and don't take no time.
You can just eat a bowl of that.
You really can.
You don't even need nothing else.
You don't need a side. That's what I said. I don't even need a side with these good old carrots.
That's as good as it gets right there.
It'll hit you. Hit you on it.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
I got to go back in for a little bit more. Y'all, they're perfect. They're tender, sweet.
They are. They really are.
Yeah. Bugs would be happy.
Yeah.
Bugs would definitely be happy with that bowl of carrots, y'all.
And if you got a big old bag of carrots and don't know what to do with them, or they're about to go or whatever, this is your dish, honey. This is your dish. It is good. It is really good.
Yep. You get that Easter ham, y'all. Put that on the menu with it. You won't regret it. Give it a try.
You will not regret it.
And if you do, let us know in the comments.
Yes, if you try it. Y'all, thank y'all so much for letting me know how your recipes is going.
Absolutely. We love to see that.
Yes, I've had several people say, hey, I've tried this, whatever, and it is delicious, and I love that feedback.
Yeah, absolutely.
I do.
That makes both of our days, because we see what we're doing is helping other people.
It just warms this big old heart, y'all.
Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah.
Makes my heart smile.
Yeah, and let us know what else. What are y'all's plans for your Easter holiday? What y'all gonna have on y'all's menu? What do y'all plan to do?
Yeah,
put it in them comments.
We normally do the traditional Easter ham and all that good stuff. All the sides, the macaroni and cheese, all the things. I've even done some dressing sometimes. Whipped it out for Easter.
Ain't nothing wrong with dressing now. I'm telling you, that's good any day.
It really
goes with ham too, y'all. It ain't, don't knock it till you try it. I promise you, that dressing goes with anything.
It does.
Chicken too, for that matter.
And if you haven't seen my dressing recipe,
I'll link it in the video of this video. It'll be in the description, and you can check it out.
Yep, it is. But anyway, y'all, simple. Super simple, quick, delicious, and
it don't get no better than that.
It doesn't get much better than that.
Yeah, just a couple of ingredients.
Yes, few ingredients that you probably already have around the house, and just whoop it up, add a little love in it, and you'll be good to go.
About 10 minutes, it was ready.
10 minutes.
Yeah, you can't beat that.
10 minutes, no. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much. We almost made it. Our little hours, we've
jumped through the hula hoops of YouTube. I understand why they do it. They want to, you show yourself and make yourself
prove yourself. But I'm on the home stretch now.
Yeah, she's getting there.
Just got just a few more hours to go, and we'll be there. But anyway, thank y'all, because if it wasn't for y'all, it wouldn't happen. I promise you. But anyway, y'all, till next time. Cheers!